Hello,
Okay, okay.
good afternoon, sir. So, our myself Rushabh. Our topic is social finances, and these are my mates. First introduction. Finance is
हाँ, क्या bro?
business concern. Required finance to each department of business concern is highly complex, and it needs. Sources of finance means the way for mobilizing various terms of finance to industrial concern. Classification of sources of funds. Basically, they are classified into three groups, like classified on the basis of period, based of ownership, and generation of sources. Like in periods, there are long-term sources and short-term sources. While in ownership, there is ownership source and borrowed source. And the third one is the source of generation, like internal sources or external sources. Sources of finances are basically this six basic stuff: issuance of shares, loans to commercial banks, venture capital, financial institutes, bridge financing, and international funds. Further, my friends will tell about sources of finance.
Source is the capital generated by issuance of shares is known as the share capital. Capital of a company is divided into small units called shares. Each share has its normal value. There are two types of shares which are normally issued by a company. First, equity shares, and second, preference shares. The money raised by issues of equality shares is called equality shares capital. Money raised by preference shares is called preference share capital. Debate finance. In debate finance, debentures are issued in different uh, dominators at different interest rates. The investors in debentures are paid certain fixed percentage of interest. The investors are not becoming the owner of the business, so there is no illusion of control. Debentures are preferred as more easy way to get finance, although it is a burden on the company. In debentures, the investor invest is considered as expensive compared to profit after tax. Loans from commercial banks provide funds for different purposes as well as for different time periods. Banks provide different types of loans to business for different size and of all size and in many ways like overdraft, term loans, cash credits, purchase discounting of bills, and issue of letter of credit. The rate of interest charged by banks depends on various factors such as the characteristic of the firm and the level of interest rates in the economy. Next.
Now, my topic is venture capital. Venture capital basically is significant innovation of 20th century. It is considered as the risky capital. The venture capital definition of venture capital is equity support to a fund, a new concept which involves higher risk and at the same time it have higher growth and profit. Basically, the objective of venture capital is not to gain the interest, but gain capital. Next slide. Next slide. The venture capital features of venture capital is first feature, supporting of uh, feature entrepreneurial talent by providing finance. Second, providing business management skills. Third, consists of high risk and high talent based on financing, reducing the financial burden of the business concept at the initial stage. And the last one is a return of in the form of capital gain.
My name is Urvishan and I will explain you regarding the Finance Institute. There are various central government and state government finance institute are major source of finance for new ventures. This institute are providing the funds to the entrepreneur based on their strength of the business model. The most difficult part to satisfy in terms of business is in technology, economical, commercial, management ability, which you provide by proposing the management and marketing and all the aspects which including in the business. Basically, by reviewing all the facts of the business, the authority provide the funding to the entrepreneur at a certain percentage of a fixed rate of interest. And now I will give you certain names, top-rated names of Commercial Bank of India. First is State Bank of India, ICICI Bank Limited, Punjab National Bank, Karana Bank, Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Union Bank of India, Industrial Development Bank of India Limited, Central Bank of India, HDFC Bank Limited, UCO Bank, Syndicate Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Oriental Bank of Commerce, Allahabad Bank. Here on, Nitin Chauhan will explain you regarding our presentation further.
So my topic is financing. So bridge financing is a short-term financing, short-term financing really used for इमरजेंसी लोन्स. जैसे कि अगर हमें कोई लोन चाहिए, उसकी प्रोसेस में अगर 3 महीने लगते हैं, तो हमें 3 महीने तक काम चलाओ के लिए जो लोन लेते हैं, उसको ब्रिज फाइनेंसिंग कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम फॉर एग्जांपल दे कि अगर एक हाउस है जो मैं बेचना चाहता हूँ और उसकी कीमत है 40 लाख जितनी कीमत में बेचूंगा, और एक दूसरा घर है जो मुझे खरीदना है, उसकी कीमत है 30 लाख. तो इस घर को बेचने के लिए कुछ अभी तक मुझे उसे खरीदने वाला कोई मिला नहीं है. तो तब तक मैं जो नया घर खरीदूंगा, तो उसके लिए जो गैप है, वो गैप मेंटेन करने के लिए जो हम लोन लेते हैं, उसको ब्रिज फाइनेंसिंग कहते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. इंटरनेशनल फंड. इंटरनेशनल फंड और इक्विटी फंड है that invest into stocks of companies listed outside of India. इंटरनेशनल फंड क्या होता है कि जो इंडिया में जो इन्वेस्टर होते हैं, तो आउट ऑफ इंडिया की कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं फंड. जैसे कि कभी हमारे देश में क्या है कि इकोनॉमी बढ़ती रहती है और कभी घटती भी है, तो ऐसे टाइम में हमको कोई नुकसान ना हो, उसके लिए इंटरनेशनल फंड का हम यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir.